So about 28 years ago, at the time I was running the robotics technology program for NASA, and we were responsible specifically for creating the new technologies that would be incorporated into rovers for planetary surfaces, but also looking at in-space robotic systems, free-flying robots. And as we were going through our annual program to look at what new technologies would be created, we started to notice that the people who were bringing these ideas to us were basically the same faces over and over and over. And each year they were getting just a little bit older and a little bit grayer, and there was nobody in line behind them. And we started to realize we had a growing problem of having in-house robotics expertise to build the next generation of planetary explorers. And about that time, actually kind of by accident, we stumbled across first a couple of kids in my neighborhood actually had seen a very short piece on an evening news program about the program, came down the street, talked to me, talked to my neighbor who also worked with NASA Robotic Systems, and asked both of us, hey, we saw this thing about this robot program. You guys work with robots. Would you help us do this? And purely because we didn't know any better, we signed on and said, sure, we'll give it a shot and see if we can help you, with the idea that we were just helping some high school kids. Once I got involved and saw what the program was really doing, instantly recognized this pipeline problem that we were concerned about with not having anybody coming up as the next generation of robotics experts for us. This is where those future employees would come from. Programs like this that were getting students excited about engineering and math and really inspiring them to consider engineering careers as something beyond their academic careers were exactly the sort of resources that we needed to tap into to say, this is where my next generation of robotics experts or rover builders or free-flying robotic system creators, this is where they were going to be.